No rain, no sleet, no snow, nothing is gonna stop me from getting you a sold sign. All right, so look at the beautiful colors of fall on this tree. This is my favorite tree I've seen all year so far. And we're walking around here. We have a nice fire pit area and a beautiful, fully fenced yard. Up here we have a nice deck, and right off of that is a really big 20 by 24 garage. Another bonus is all this extra parking. Follow me. It keeps going and going and going, and you can park all the way up into here, and there's even a plug-in for your vehicle. Okay, well, that was the back of the house, but the front of the house is just as beautiful. Time to put this umbrella away, if I can, and let's head on in. All right, I'm very excited about this property. You have a double property here, really. You have a full living quarters in the basement. We'll get to that later. Right now, let's just enjoy this big living room. Come along and check out this kitchen. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the view while you're doing that. Bedroom number 1. Full bath here on the main floor. The primary bedroom. Off the primary bedroom, here is the ensuite. So heading in here, we have a nice big living room. And after that, we have this full kitchen. Hallway here, you have your own laundry in the lower level, and here we have bedroom number 1. There's bedroom number 2 in the lower. And here is the full bath in the lower level. All right, I'm back outside again. There's going to be an open house here on Thursday from 5 to 7. If you want to come on by, it's Jennifer Plett at 371-2432.